So hey guys, I am Rohit and I own KTM Duke 250 and I have been riding this bike around 4 months now. So today I am going to make a video like how this bike is, and I am just going straight like how I feel like when I ride or when I use brakes or when I throttle up. So how does it feel? And let's get into it, and let's go downside. I have parked my bike downside, so let's go and check it out. And the color is amazing, man, so you will see and you will love it. So let's go. So hey guys, look who am I here with today. So this is my KTM Duke 250, as you can see it here. And the first thing, the weather is very good in Bangalore right now, and let me show you the weather. So see, this is very amazing and wind is there, so maybe you will get some wind noise, but let me talk about this bike. And this is my KTM Duke 250, and just look at this first thing. This is amazing, and the color is all black. And if you see the thing, like this 250 is there, but there is some orange, and Duke is there, so it is in the white color. And the main thing is KTM logo. The KTM logo is in the very good place, but now in the new Duke 390 in black color, you will not get anything in here, so it is full flat. So if you want KTM logo, so go for 250, or if you don't want this logo, so you can go for 390. But yeah, 390 is very amazing here. The power is very good. So let me talk about this bike. So first, the engine of this bike. This is a 249.07 cc bike, and see KTM here, and this is 25 model, so they are putting here KTM 25, and this is LC4C engine. And what can I tell you? So you can go and check all those things, specifications about this bike. But now today I wanted to talk about how I feel about this bike, and how does it perform in the real life. Okay, so let me talk about first these things. So let me just go and turn it on. So this is the key you are getting with this bike. The KTM logo is there, like a sticker, or what do you say, something is there. So you just have to put it here and turn it on, and see the screen. This is beautiful, man, ready to race. And this is the thing you will get. And here you can see, and is there, so the gear indicator is there, and it is in the street mode right now. And the low means your engine is not warm up right now. So if you start and keep it for 2 minutes, so it will shows okay here, so it means your bike is warm up, so you can go for it. And this is a speedometer here, and this is a odometer, fuel range, battery and trip point. So you can customize it by your own, like what you want here. You can just go in settings and customize it. So here you will get a 2 mode. Like first, it is in street mode. So let me these are the buttons you will get to get things done here. So, and the color is like, the button is very clicky, very premium, and you will get backlit like buttons here. And let me just go and check out the, like, what do you say, modes. So if you go in here, and in the first, motorcycle, second is here you can see ride mode, so it is now street mode. Let me check this is a track mode. So 2 modes are there, street and track. So you can just go click it, and for save you have to press this button, forward button, to save it. And here you will get ABS also. So I am always using this bike in ABS mode because it helps a lot. You can turn it off by going here, and this is basically called Supermoto ABS, so you can use that if you don't want to use, and if you just want to use the power of this bike. But it helps a lot. I will suggest you to use in the ABS mode. And these are the things you will get: bike info, like the coolant is there, and these things. And if you go downside, you will get trip 1, trip 2. So now in this trip I have rode around 107.2 km, and speed is showing 27 km per hour. So my average speed was 27 km per hour. And you will get these settings here, like you can set from here: favorites, quick selector, connectivity. You can connect your phone with it, with the KTM app. And this is quick shifter, the main thing. This is very beautiful. So if you want to on, so just go and turn it on, or if you want to use don't want to use quick shifter, so just go and turn it off. So this is very good. And you can change shift light. So whenever like you want, it will show you the orange light, so you can shift from here. So you can go RPM, and you can set here RPM, whatever you want. You can just go and check it out and save around like yourself. And this is RPM too, so it is 10,000 RPM, so it will go all orange here like this if you go to 10,000 RPM. So this is the RPM here. So if you go to 10,000, so it will whole orange in color will be there. Okay, so this is all about the cluster. Let me talk about the thing which I like. So first thing, the power is 31 PS is there, 31 horsepower, and it is enough when you are in a city. So it feels very comfortable, and when you go outside or when you are on highway, so it helps you a lot. And 31 horsepower is good, and the weight of this bike is only 162 kg, so it is very lightweight, not that lightweight, but you can say if you compare to other bikes, so it is lightweight only. So the weight is very amazing, and the power is 31 PS, so that is enough for this bike. And torque is around 25 to 27 nanometer, so it is also good. So I went for a trip with this bike, and I went to Ooty, and Ooty is very like hill area, so I just love this bike, and I did all those things like when I am climbing the roads in the hills, so it doesn't give me any problem. Like the power was enough, the torque was enough, so I can go anywhere without any problem. So that's the thing. So power is enough for me, and if you are upgrading from 150cc bike or 200cc bike, so you can go for it. It is very good, and the power is very amazing. And let me talk about this thing, like suspension. So here you can see it is showing WP Apex big piston you are getting in here in front side, and here back side also you are getting WP Apex. So the suspension is very good. You will not feel any jerk when you are riding. So if there is any potholes on the road, so that doesn't feel that much. Okay, that's a very good suspension is here. And in rear you will get 150 section of tire, and in front you will get 110 section of tire. So that is very good. Like when I am on the corner of the road, so it doesn't get skid or anything like that. So it gives me confidence. The tire is very good, the grip is very good. So as I told you before, I have ridden this bike around 4,292 kilometer now. It is the total kilometer is there. So it gives me confidence when I am on the corner, and the braking is very good. The brake is from by Bray, and the caliper is, see the thing, this is very huge, man. This thing is very huge. So that's the thing. So yeah, it looks very fine, and for look wise it is amazing. The power is enough, and again I am saying, if you are upgrading from 150cc bike, so you can go for it. It gives you a lot of happiness when you are riding it. And here you will get a radiator here, this side. This is a radiator, and you will get a fan that side, and this is the coolant. You will put coolant here, and this is the this is the thing. You will see the level of your engine oil. So if I just see, so it shows you the level of your oil in the engine. So this looks very cool, man, here. So yeah, so all thing is good. And let me just start the bike and hear the sound of this bike. So here you will get a kill switch like this. You have to do this and press it, and this is the sound of this bike. This is how it sounds. The sound is very smooth, very good. And again I'm saying it's a very good bike, and you can go for it in around 3 lakh rupees. It is very good. And here in Bangalore it cost me around 3 lakh 20,000, yes, on road. So that's the thing. And yeah, the lighting is there. So this clearance looks very cool. As you can see, this is amazing, man. And the mirrors are very good, very tight. There is no issue with mirror till now, and the switches are very premium. So this are very clicky and very good. And this is for this all 4 indicators. So if you want to turn it on, so just press it, this thing, and all indicator will be running like this. So yeah, see this. So this is how it looks from back, and this is how it looks from this side, and this is amazing, man. See, it's a very amazing bike, and yeah, you can go for it. So again, if you want to buy this bike, go for it. Very good bike, very good power, and this is my honest opinion, honest review. So you can go for it. Good braking system, very good ABS system, and mileage. Yes, mileage is if you ride it normally, you will get 27-28 mileage. But if you use your throttle, so you will get around 20-21 mileage. So that's the thing. So again, go for it if you want to buy. And so that's it for this video. And if you like this video, please like and comment, and I will catch you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, and please do comment and like. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.